Hello guys, today we're at the former Walmart, plus former Resident Mart. It's actually taking the wool cane, but it's still abandoned. You can see how rough that is. Actually, you see it inside a little bit. Oh yeah, look, Madison Mart. So I gotta do this real quick because the phone is about dead, and yeah. Yeah. This is gonna be a short video, very short video. It's not gonna be much, but I wanted to do this, but there's actually a abandoned subway. This old subway too. I'm doing this quick because the phone is about dead, and I want to do it one at a time. Or two at a time actually. Yeah. Oh my goodness, Mom's calling me. Please. Mom is annoying me for some reason, and I hate it. Those rules, that part is right here still open. Yeah, but here's it's just coming soon, but this was a former subway. You can tell the floor tiles and all that. So bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you. Bye guys.